Stop forcing patterns. You don't need a name for every line you draw. Support and resistance, that's the real law. Fake gurus twist and turn, trying to see what's not there. You can see it too, squint your eyes and spin around in your chair. Zoom out, breathe deep, let the level speak. Fake gurus be teaching the wrong technique. Focus on the price, not some fairy tale fiction. Identify key levels, no superstition.
They be squinting at the charts like it's hieroglyphics.
Yo, I think I see a seahorse, bro, it's bullish.
Got that double dragon with a bat wing tail. Call it Gandalf's torch, now it can't fail.
I seen the cup and crab, the upside down tiger. Shrek's forehead breakout, looking tighter and tighter. Man, stop it. You trade in imagination, we trade levels whereby you show dedication. I see the animal cracker inverse spider monkey pattern, but price hit resistance and broke like it never mattered. Fake gurus trading fairy dust, we trading support resistance lines. They making patterns from nothing, we're reading real signs. Supply up top, demand down low. Patterns lie just like a bimbo. They draw a banana wedge with the crown inside it. We hitting home runs, they lucky to get a base hit.
Stop forcing patterns, let the market breathe. The chart don't care what you wanna believe. That neckline ain't real, that head got no shoulders. Focus on levels and how the price flows, no trollers. Don't be fooled by the fancy names. It's just buyers and sellers playing their game.
I see the animal cracker inverse spider monkey pattern, but price hit resistance and broke like it never mattered. Yo, if patterns work like they claim, we'd all be Lambos deep. Nothing but fame, but nah, it's that animal cracker inverse spider monkey. While we counting zones, they losing, getting grumpy. They say I see your left facing dolphin flag. Bro, you just drew a triangle and gave it some swag. If patterns are called out, know how to draw them. They be forcing patterns, now condemned. We mark that zone where price keeps stalling. Respect that wick, that's where a buyer's been calling. Forget the wizard hat and the parrot wing pattern. Price action is king, identify where it can turn.
Stop forcing patterns, let the market breathe. The chart don't care what you wanna believe. That neckline ain't real, that head got no shoulders. Focus on levels and how the price flows, no trollers. Don't be fooled by the fancy names. It's just buyers and sellers playing their game.
I see the animal cracker inverse spider monkey pattern, but price hit resistance and broke like never mattered. We don't need a pattern, we need a plan. Support and resistance, that's where we stand. If patterns work like they claim, we'd all be Lambos deep. Nothing but fame, but nah, it's that animal cracker inverse spider monkey. While we counting zones, they losing, getting grumpy.
That's right, guys. That is absolutely right. I love that song. If you like that song, let me know in the chat. Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. We make trading not as difficult. However, all morning, I've been thinking about it. I think what I'm going to start doing is not making trading so simple and start using all these complicated terms so that you have to like stick with me much longer to learn how to trade. That's what I'm thinking, because we used to have a lot of viewers, or at least more viewers, but where have they all gone? Did they already learn everything they need to know? Possible. Because I show you every single day, sometimes multiple times a day, in the easiest way. And I think that's what might have happened. So I might have to start talking like how everybody else talks, to where I don't make it easy. And that way you're tuning in every single day because it's so confusing. I think I might do that. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see here. We got some people in the chat. So what's going on? Dave. Dylan. What's up, Dylan? Appreciate you, man. Dylan was first. Appreciate you. We got Dave P in the house. What's up, my friend? What's going on? Hey, we got Steve in the house. What's up, Steve? Appreciate you guys greatly for being here. Of course, we have others chiming in. We're going to check them in just a moment. But just to let you know that, of course, we do this every single day, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 4. So again, if YouTube does not notify you, well, guess what? It's the same time. So definitely set your alarm to it. And in case, YouTube doesn't notify you. And then we do bonus streams. That's the biggest thing, is the bonus streams. Sometimes the market will start moving and I'll do a bonus stream. How can we capitalize on it? Or just sometimes I'll do it around midnight, sometimes 2 in the morning. I get very little sleep, guys. I'm always in these charts. So if I say, you know what, I'm bored, let me go ahead and let's see if we can do some active trading, live trading with YouTube viewers, or maybe even with my VIP group. Last week we did a few, I want to say like maybe we did quite a few of live trading, and I was thinking about doing it this morning too, but just so busy, crazy busy. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So once again, we do go live Monday through Friday, also Saturday and Sunday. All those times right there are Eastern time. So if you run late and like, oh, Joe, I'm at the end of the show, well, you know what time it starts. But you can always watch a replay and ask me questions, and hopefully I can use those questions for the next show, hopefully. Right now on the hourly time frame for crypto bubbles, going up. We got virtuals. I was actually looking at this one. The ones that I like looking at, just to give you all a heads up, I love looking at virtuals. I used to love looking at TIA. I forget, there's two of these that look very similar. TAI, I think that's the one, not this one. But the ones I love looking at right now, virtuals. Let's see here. Do I see any others that I love looking at? Pingu, I look at, but nah. Sui, I love looking at that one. Fartcoin, I love looking at that one. I'm looking at Tau as well, and I'm looking at Core as well. But the ones that I'm really looking at, for some reason, I'm looking at Form. I forgot why. I don't know if it's just because the market structure, or maybe because of what it's done. Let's see here. I'm really looking at H-bar. So H-bar was one that was presented to us yesterday. So I've been looking at that one. And that's one thing that I love doing, is whenever I am here asking for charts, it gives me charts that I might not be looking at, or maybe not looking as much. So just knowing that other people are looking at it, it makes me want to look at it just a little bit more, because people are looking at it. What other ones do I see? GRT, I'm looking at that one. Jasmine, I'm looking at that one. We almost got into a Jasmine shorts, I believe, last night, or there was one that we got into last night, and I don't even know if we're still in it. No, I think we got subbed out. Yeah, we're trying it, high risk, because right now Bitcoin is literally just flipping and flopping. Let's see here on the daily, we have virtuals up, we have cake up, so when they've already run up, I don't recommend chasing them. If you're going to do anything, maybe just short them. But even that's very high risk, just due to the fact that one thing I really hate. No, you know what? I have to start double talking. So that way I'm always right. Algorithm picks it up. The only problem is I'm going to wreck my viewers. But I'm still double talking, so we'll see. Hey, we got Mario in the house. What's up, Mario? Appreciate you, man, for being here. Appreciate you. But the thing I hate, though, is that because right now the market is not bullish, and we have some that are moving, if you're trying to short it, well, because these are the only ones really moving, more people might go into it and start buying it up, and then you get stopped out. It's a tough balancing act. Absolutely tough. Let's look at the fear and greed index. Let's check this out. We haven't done this in a little bit. So let's go to crypto 74. And this is because we're in FOMO mode. We'll see. Let's go to the heat map. So I was looking at this earlier. And so this is going to be on the 24-hour time frame. And we do have a really nice hot spot right here, 83.94 million at 111,638. Very nice area. Then we have a lot of them down here. You know, we have 65 million at 108.550, and then another one 62.45 million at 108.378. Which way could it go? Well, let's check. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. And on the 12-hour time frame, ooh, dog it. You know, we're much closer to going up, potentially, to get these liquidations than going down. But how do we know if we're going to get these? Well, this is why we trade level by level. The price cannot come up here until it breaks this. Impossible. Price cannot come down here unless it breaks this level. Impossible. This is why we trade level by level. All right. Let's see who's getting liquidated. Let's go to the refresh button for total liquidations. 1 hour, we have shorts. Things are pumping. 4 hour, we have neck and neck. So this tells me it's just flipping and flopping. 12-hour shorts getting wrecked due to the run up. 24-hour longs getting wrecked again, flipping and a flopping. Flipping and a flopping. Let's go. Let's see here. Definitely check out my channel. Of course, we have a lot of music too, but videos that'll actually help you how to trade. Let's come over here to this. So this was my thought process yesterday. I believe I put this on yesterday's stream, if not possibly a video for an update for my group. Of course, I do a lot of, when it's needed, I do a lot of thought process videos, and to me, that's really important. What might happen, what is happening, we never know what's going to happen, but we just have probabilities. So here for Bitcoin, price was here. Price had really nice run up. This is on the 1 hour time frame. I'm thinking it looking like a rollover. I don't know. Possible rollover. I would like to see it come down to here, take at least this. So here, price did eventually come down and then some, but candle bodies were here. Then to come up, which this is what I was thinking was going to happen. It did come up, creating a lower high, and that's what it did here, the bigger picture. So it did a lower high, which was good. Then I'm thinking it's going to come down. So here's the move. I'm thinking it's going to come down to about here. We did 50%. For this move, here's about 50%. So from here to here, oh no, I forgot. We have this. So from here to here, 50% is right here. And sure enough, came right to this area. So it came up, then it's coming down to about this area. Then this is our decision point. Well, actually, here's our decision point. Is it going to roll over to attack this, or come up? Right now, currently, it's coming up. You see, I don't see anything else. In order for this, so this is basically showing you that without doing, I told you so. So many people love doing that. One, I'm an adult, you don't tell me anything. Two, you didn't know that that was definitely, like, would you put your life on the line for that? No, of course not. Why? Because deep down, you know, price can do whatever it wants. There's a higher probability that it might do what you're thinking. Same thing with me, you know, higher probability of it coming down than coming up, then possibly going up, or maybe coming down, depending on what it does here. And that's exactly what it did. Would I put my life on it? Heck no. It could have shot straight up, or it could have gone straight down. We're at the mercy of price action. So with that being said, you know, be very careful with all the people that say, I told you so. I knew it. If it does this, it's going to do this. Be very careful, guys. All right, moving on. Hey, we got Diddling in the house. What's up, man? Appreciate you greatly. We'll get some drink real quick. Got some frozen lemonade. Well, it was frozen. Got big old chunk of ice. All right, moving on. What do I think is going to happen now? Okay. Now, we did try to do a short last night on this rollover right here. We had our alerts and everything. Finally, our alerts went off. We entered the trade. And our entry did hit, you know, shortly after. It's on a 5-minute time frame. Our target did hit. And this was just a 20 to 35x leverage. I don't know if I put it on here. but it hit right away, and then it started coming up. Once it broke this level, I was like, nope, not liking it. I said, let's move our stop loss so it's break even, cover the fees at least. Once it broke this, sure enough, it came straight for it, and it would have hit our stop loss was way up here. So it would have hit our stop loss. So I would rather be in profit, or at least to cover the fees, than chance it, even though I see that it broke this level, and I don't want to chance it. Not only that, but I don't want you losing more money than you need to. And here, broke even, paid fees. Here we got some profit. Let's go. Let's go. So we're always having to adapt to what the market is giving us. We must be like water. And I'm gonna start doing more of these. I mean, we've been doing them, but some more of these scalp trades. I really like doing it and just showing you. Now, do I win all the time? Nope. Does our group win all the time? Nope. Maybe I should start saying that our group wins all the time. That way it'll help with the algorithm. But, oh man, I hate having morals, ethics, integrity. I really hate it. Because if I didn't, I would brag about how great we are and how we are, you know, Nostradamus when it comes to these markets. And that way I can trick everybody. But, man, my mom did a good job raising me. Oh, wrong button. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. All right, so let's go back to Bitcoin. Oh yeah, let's start doing all that confusing talk. So right here on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we created a higher high. You know, we're in the process of creating a higher high, and this could potentially continue going up. However, we do have a bearish divergence. If you look here, we have a high and we have a lower high. Now, I'm going to show you one thing that most mentors don't teach you. I teach you, but I'm going to show you this. Right now, this high is lower than this high. So right now we do have a bearish divergence. So this is saying that there's a very high chance that, no, I'm sorry, man, I don't even want to say the way they talk. So we have bearish divergence. So the price will go down. No, the price doesn't have to go down. This, man, I can't even do trying to scam y'all. Price does not have to go down. Why? This right now is a possible divergence. This is a possible. Why is it possible? Because if the price goes up, this can continue going up and up and up and up, and now there's no longer divergence. So right now there is potential divergence. Now, if this starts rolling over, then yes, we can say bearish divergence. And the more candles we have, the better it is. But let me go back to doing this. We also have a divergence on the volume. If you notice right here, we see the volume coming down and we have the price going up. So this is a bearish divergence. So because of this, the price has a higher likelihood of coming down. Okay. We can also see that by this resistance level. Oh, I got out of character. What else? Look right here, guys. We have a beautiful cup and handle. Oh my gosh, this is so ugly. I'm literally throwing up in my mouth right now. We have a beautiful cup and handle that's currently breaking out of the handle part and about to break our, let's just draw this, about to break our broken lid. So here is our measured move, guys. Here is our measured move. Let's get this. And we'll do it from the break of the broken lid. We're looking at 113.446, guys, for our target. Mark it down. 113.446. This is going to be our target from the cup and handle. Look at this beautiful cup and handle. So gross. Let me see if I got any new viewers. Don't look, Joe. I might have gotten one viewer. Let me continue talking this caca poo poo. Let's see here. What else can we do? What else can we do? 4 hour timer. Oh, was there a question earlier? Hey, we got James in the house. What's up, James? I saw a question mark. Oh, Dylan. See here. Can we check Pendle later in the stream, please? Market cap 734. Oh, yeah, definitely, man. Matter of fact, that's gonna be next. Pendle. I do like Pendle. Pendle. Thank you, my friend. All right, so let's go on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Do we see anything? No divergence. We have the RSI resetting. Okay. Let's see here. Anything else? We do have. So you can even go into these smaller waves. Sometimes I call them waves. Sometimes I call them humps, and just whatever it is. But this is higher than this. So this also is telling me divergence, bearish divergence. But I mean, I can just see it based off our level that we had earlier. And then not only that, but it could come down, create a double top. This would be our level that breaks. If it breaks this, we're attacking this, and then potentially coming down. We'll see. I would like to see that. I really would. That way, give Bitcoin a time to cool off, to reset. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. What do we see on the 1 hour? Oh, 1 hour, we have bearish divergence once again. 1 hour. Oh, were we looking at the 1 hour? I think we were. Let's go 15 minute. 15 minute, no bearish divergence. We do have a declining volume. And I mean, the volume I really going to pay attention to, because kind of going down, going down, going down, going down, and then goes up right here. So then your bearish divergence just, where is it? Where's your bearish divergence? Price going up. So I want to point this out. So look at this. Price is going up and the volume is coming down. Price is going up, volume coming down, price going up, volume coming down, price going up, volume coming down, and then boom, volume. Where's your divergence? Let's look at this again. Price going up, volume coming down, price going up, volume coming down. Where's your divergence? I'm not looking for divergence. Where's your divergence? Your mentor told you this. Went up. Where's your divergence? Oh, it came down. Here's your divergence. Really? Even though now is when the volume picked up. So I don't do this. This is why I don't do it, because I've looked at this thousands and thousands and hundreds of thousands of times, to where I show you, however, I should stop. I show you the reality of trading versus what all these mentors teach you, because they learn from their mentor and their mentor and their mentor. And price will go down when it's trading. But I think I'm gonna start teaching. I think I'm not gonna be doing the reality of trading. I'm pretty sure. It's gonna take me a while though. It's gonna take me a while to change my verbiage, because my verbiage that I use all the time is the reality of trading. But I'm gonna have to change my verbiage, and then of course we'll get more people in, and then I will tell them to go into the group to learn how to trade the reality, I guess. I don't know. But the main thing is to get people to watch. Get people to watch. All right. Again, the more people that watch, the more people that can hopefully not get duped by these other people that, all that stuff. I don't think YouTube likes me talking about them other people. Look at our viewers. And you know, oh man, I'm not even gonna get into that subject. All right, let's just do it. Joe, you got a lot on your brain. Yes. Yes, I sure do. Okay. So here, this was from yesterday. This was H-bar. I was saying, you know, we can enter here as a short because it broke this level. Enter here as a short. We're looking for it to come up. I don't really want it to break this level. We have a very, very tight stop loss. And then hopefully it comes down, and here we would have only had one entry. Coming down here would have been our second entry, because it's doing this, what I'm showing here. This would have been our second entry, and then right away it starts flipping. But now look, it's breaking this level. Uh-oh. Breaking this level. Watch out. Breaking this level. You know what? Let's get our stop loss and move it. This is what I do for the group. I don't like how it's looking. It's starting to break the higher highs and more of them. It might be reversing. It might be reversing only to come down, but who knows what's going to, like, it could just go straight up. Bitcoin can take off. This could take off. Let's move it to, so this one, it almost hit our first target, but we never know. Dylan says, did you check the exchange? Let's see. Antarctic. It's a DEX. Hear positive things about it. Opinions for people in the stream. Also, no, I haven't checked it, but who's talking about it? How did you hear about it? So let us know that. Right now I have Blowpin. Blowpin is US friendly, which is really good. If you don't have Blowpin, I recommend you get it. The link is in the description. It doesn't cost you any extra to use my link. They give a bunch of bonuses and it helps out the channel. If you truly do want to help the channel, then please use that referral link. Let's see here. But no, I haven't heard of it. And I don't watch a lot of other people. So I have another exchange that's hitting me up. And the one thing that I don't want is I don't want like 12 exchanges, because then it gets really difficult for y'all to choose. We just use one or two. And then after that, if you like it, or maybe you find another one that's better, and check in my description. I have a few that are, I think I have like 4 at the moment that are US friendly. And then of course, you know, there's others, but that's what I do. Jason Casper was talking about, so Jason Casper, God-fearing person, I would listen to him. He's not going to do anything that's going to, in my opinion, scam anybody. So just because of who it is, and that's why it's really important to build a reputation. So if Jason Casper recommends it or is promoting it, I say yeah. Now, granted, it would be helping his referrals if he did it through him. He's already big. He's already a multi-millionaire. I'm just looking to be a 10-air, not even a 100-air or 1,000-air, just a 10-air. So if I do decide to get that, I mean, I have other changes in my description. That'll help me get up to a 10-air, not even a 100-air or 1,000-air or a millionaire, just a 10. So if you want to help support the channel, let's say you already have, you know, exchanges that you signed up through with other people, and maybe they're already successful. Maybe they already have, you know, they're making it. If you really, really, truly want to help me out, then sign up using my link, transfer your money over. I know it's a hassle, but transfer your money over. It's a one-time thing that you do. And then from there on out, you will literally help me supporting this channel. All right, moving on. But yeah, for Jason, shoot, man, if he would try to sell me anything, because he's God-fearing, and man, he's living the dream, homesteading, you know, eating fresh eggs, living off the land. Like that's so my dream. Maybe in my next life. Maybe in my next life. Yeah, not this life. This life done passed me by. But I'm not giving up though. I'm doing all this so I can help, you know, your lives and your kids' lives. That's what I'm doing. Very thirsty, guys. And you can't beat some ice cold lemonade. Can't beat it. All right, so let's go and look at Pendle. Blowfin. Ooh, nice. Pendle on the Blowfin. Let's go to the 4-hour. I'm really liking what I'm seeing. Let's go to the daily. Oh wait. I'm really liking what I'm seeing. So let's go to this. What's this? Let's do all this nonsense extra talking. Dylan says extremely low fees. You get liquidation fee. What? Yeah, nobody from there reached out to me yet. I get a lot of people reaching out to me. Ridiculous. Let's see here. So Pendo on the daily. Let's kind of zoom out. Let's take away all this junk. Get out of here, junk. Okay, so we made a lower low on the daily, but we maintained this level. See how we're getting resistance, 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 and we finally broke above. So that is good. Okay. What else do I see? Okay, so we did have these wicks go right here. Let's see here. I'll show you after the stream if you want. Yeah, definitely, man. So what is this level right here? This looks good on the daily. So here is a block that we have to be aware. Oh, and we're right there too. This is a block we have to be aware of. The reason we have to be aware of this block is that the price may have a difficult time breaking above. Let's get rid of our midline. Nice slow progression going up. I do like that. I would have liked here to at least come down, take some of this liquidity, but it's nice and steady. I'm really liking it. The only thing I'm not liking is it hasn't come down yet. So nice and steady coming up, boom, come down. Nice and steady coming up, boom, come down. That's what I want to see. Nice and steady going up, boom, come down. Here, nice and steady going up. Maybe when it comes here, it'll go down to this level. We have a really nice fair value gap right in this area. Let's go and just draw it out. Let's draw it out. So from here to here, this is our fair value gap. I do like the strength that it's showing though. So let me go to the 1 hour again, the 4 hour. Beautiful support right here. Broke this level. And this looks good. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to find reasons why not to enter this trade. You know, you don't want to just go into a trade and be like, oh, that looks good, and enter it. I'm trying to find reasons not to enter this trade. So we're right underneath resistance, so we can see that it's on the lower time frame. I don't like these being so large in size, but you can see the wick stopped there. Beautiful break of this level. This is on the 1 hour. Beautiful break of this level. Okay. So reasons why not to do it. So boring. Right now, the RSI is overbought. We're at 72.25. We do have increasing volume. So this volume is leading towards the breakout. So this is good. You always want to buy the breakout with volume. And Joe, why are you doing that dumb voice? Because this is dumb. But this is what y'all want to hear. In my opinion, I think it's dumb. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Let's see here. No divergence here. Nice breakout spike here. Is this from the market makers? I have one that changes the dumb candles. This one change the candles, or is it 0? Okay, so this push was from the market makers. You can see it right here. Okay. Let's see here. What else? What else do I see? I mean, I like it. Even though we're overbought. I like this move. Retrace a little bit more would have been better. But then it came up here, broke this level. So the thing that I do not want it to do is I don't want to break in this level. This is the level that I do not want it to break. If it breaks this level, I'm worried. Because then now it can continue coming down and then break below. And right now it's doing a really nice job in this zone. So this is our zone right here. I don't think I pointed it out, but see how it's just kind of like ranging. We do have higher lows. Oh, man, I like this so much. Nice find. Very nice find. So we're always going to be under resistance, so that's not but you don't want it from the 1 hour. I'm going to enter this trade. I'm going to have my stop loss right here. I don't want it breaking below this. So stop loss. I don't know what the percentage is, so that depends on the amount of leverage. Oh, I gotta go into a smaller time frame. Forgot. So we kind of see the larger time frame. Got it. Let's go to the 5 minute. Let's do this. Let's also do our VWAP. VWAP. Okay, so price action is above our VWAP. I like it. Let me do it. Okay. So I don't know. So this is going to be Pendle. Stop loss. It's going to be 4.4123. I like those numbers. Ah, man, 3x is boring. Let's do something exciting. Let's go nuts. Let's go 20x. I don't recommend this. I don't recommend this at all. So let's go nuts. Long. All right, so I just entered. Let's go nuts. I like it. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I do like it though. So what do I think is going to happen? Just in case it takes off from here, but I do think it's going to come down here to come up. And then when it goes to this level, I'm going to enter. Once it does this and starts coming up, I'll enter. Or add. Right now I entered. And here it is. There we go. Any other questions, guys? Questions, comments, concerns, issues? I'm actually streaming on the did it freeze? Oh. Streaming on Twitch as well. So seeing if we can Do something, man. I'm desperate. I am so desperate. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna start not teaching so simply and start double talking and using all these double words and see if we get more people in. That's what I'm thinking about doing. Because obviously what I'm doing is not working. Joe, you're doing it again. It's not. I mean, how long have I been streaming for? How many months? People come in and then they leave. Maybe because I talk trash about women. I don't know. It's just the truth. I talk trash about men too. Like I just speak the truth. People don't like the truth. This I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna lose y'all. Shoot, man. Moving on. All right. Let's look at dominance. We haven't done that in a while. So dominance is coming down. So this is good only if Bitcoin goes up or sideways. If Bitcoin comes down and dominance comes down, it's going to be rough. It's going to be really rough. Let's see here. Let's go to others. So this is everything excluding the top 10%, top 10 dominance. So right now just kind of doing nothing. When it started coming up a little bit, total is everything. It's coming up, which is good. You know, there's hope. This is everything but Bitcoin. This is total 2. And right now it's trying, it's currently with the lower high, but it's trying to come up. Like it's looking, today's looking okay. Total 3 is everything except Bitcoin and Ethereum. Same thing, it's starting to come up. Let's go to the ES1 exclamation point. This one, it looked like it was coming down on the daily. This is the stocks. And right now it's coming up. Hopefully we can beat. Let's go ahead and make sure our magnet tool is on. Candle body close. Make sure I got the candle body close. It doesn't look like it. Hopefully you can beat 59.82. And if so, then it'd be good. Right now it's almost 1 o'clock. All right, that's gonna be the show, guys. That's going to be the show. Thanks so much. See you in the next one. Hey, we got Mikey in the house. What's up, Mikey? And just as a reminder, my times haven't changed. 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That was 40 minutes ago. Saturday and Sunday at 4. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you on the next one. All right, take care. Song? No song. No song. No song. Getting awkward. Well, I'm trying to hide my camera. There we go. All right, take care, guys. See ya.